Metronidazole is a powerful drug for treating anaerobic infections, and its antibacterial activity actually only occurs following chemical reduction of the molecule inside the bacterial cell. For this reason, it only works under anaerobic conditions. Metronidazole is a drug which I think of as having a somewhat less discrete target than many of our other antimicrobial families. It's a low molecular weight molecule, about 171 Daltons, and that's small enough that it's readily able to enter bacterial cells. Once inside, under anaerobic conditions, metronidazole is reduced. And throughout this reduction pathway, we get the generation of intermediate molecules, some of which are unstable free radicals, that are able to bind to DNA and prevent DNA synthesis. Consequently, metronidazole is a bactericidal antimicrobial. When we consider the spectrum of activity of metronidazole, it's important to recognize that we can only kill anaerobes, or bacteria growing under anaerobic conditions, with this drug. Because reducing conditions are required to have those intermediate radicals generated, which ultimately kill the organism and are responsible for the drug's mechanism of action, any oxygen in the system will prevent its activity. Metronidazole is a drug which may be effectively used against Clostridium or Clostridioides, Brachyspira species in companion animals or people, and also a variety of parasites. It has activity against Trichomonas, Giardia, and Entamoeba. In a veterinary context, it's important to acknowledge that metronidazole has been banned in food animals over concerns of teratogenicity. The teratogenic effects of metronidazole have been demonstrated in some models, but not others. Notably, teratogenic effects were seen using the Ames test, whereby bacteria are exposed to a compound and genetic mutations are screened for. However, using animal models, conflicting results were seen. In some species, teratogenicity was observed where it wasn't in others. And most notably in people, teratogenicity has never been documented. Despite this, the consequences of being exposed to a teratogen have led to this drug being banned in food animals. I hope this brief summary of metronidazole was useful, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments section below.